Hey, these exams are killing me. I can't keep studying late into the night anymore.
I feel you, buddy. It's been a real struggle. Tomorrow is our last paper, though. Can't wait to be done with this.
Yeah, man, one more day to go. Have you thought about what you're gonna do right after the last paper?
Oh, definitely. The first thing I'm gonna do is hit up all the restaurants I've been missing out on. I'm gonna eat like there's no tomorrow.
That sounds like a plan. I bet those burgers and pizzas have been calling your name.
You know it. I've been dreaming of a big, juicy burger for weeks. What about you? Any post-exam plans?
Well, I've got something a little different in mind. I've been thinking about going on a long hike in the woods. Just me and nature,
A hike, huh? That's an interesting choice. Why the woods, though?
I've been cooped up in my room for so long, staring at books and screens. I just want some fresh air, and peace and quiet. Plus, I miss the sound of birds and rustling leaves.
That does sound peaceful. It's a good way to unwind after all this stress. How long are you planning to hike?
I'm thinking of making it an all-day thing. Start early in the morning, and just explore the trails until the sun sets. Maybe even pack a picnic.
Wow, that sounds like a real escape from the exam madness. I might join you, if I can summon the energy after all that eating.
You are welcome to come along. It could be a refreshing change of pace for both of us. True that. It's been so long since I've had time for anything other than studying. I miss going to the movies, hanging out with friends, and just relaxing. I feel you, buddy. These exams really consume all our time and energy. But hey, once they're over, we'll have a lot more freedom to do what we want.
Absolutely. I can't wait to catch up on all the movies and TV shows I've missed, and I owe my friends some quality time.
Speaking of friends, I've been neglecting my social life too. Can't wait to reconnect with everyone.
It's funny how exams make you appreciate the simple things in life, like just hanging out with friends, without worrying about deadlines.
So true. And what else I've been missing? Sleep. Glorious, uninterrupted sleep.
Oh, I hear you loud and clear. I've been surviving on power naps and caffeine for weeks. Can't wait to catch up on some ZZs.
It's gonna be a sleep marathon for sure. No more late-night cramming sessions.
Amen to that. And what else I've been craving? Ice cream. I haven't had a good scoop in ages.
Ice cream does sound tempting. We should totally have an ice cream party to celebrate the end of exams.
That's a fantastic idea. Let's invite all our friends, stock up on different flavors, and go all out.
Count me in. It will be the sweetest way to mark the end of this stressful chapter.
Absolutely. I can already taste the victory in the ice cream.
Me too, my friend. Me too. Just one more day to go, and we're free.
Let's give it our all tomorrow. and then we'll dive headfirst into all the things we've missed.
You bet. It's gonna be an epic post-exam celebration. And remember, whether it's a hike or an ice cream party, we're doing it together.
Absolutely, buddy. We've been through this whole exam journey together, and we're finishing it together too.
That's the spirit. Now, let's get some rest, so we can give our best in that last paper.
Agreed. Good night, and see you on the other side of exams.
Good night. Can't wait for that ice cream feast.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.